Prepaid shipping labels are generated through Seller Central account and should be printed and placed on outside of the box that you're sending to Amazon FBA warehouses. So first, once you're logged into Seller Central account, go to Manage FBA Inventory and select a product for which you want to replenish your inventory. Then on this Send Replenish Inventory page, you need to create a new shipping plan. Under the Ship From Here, you want to enter address in the United States from which you're sending your inventory, because this is the location from which you're sending your inventory to Amazon FBA. So they need to calculate how much is going to be the shipping cost. So for example, in my case, it's FBA Inspections location. Now, if you're importing your product from another country and not shipping directly to the destination warehouse address, it's a good idea to set the ship from address to be the import address. This will provide better routing of your products to the closest Amazon fulfillment center. Now, under the packaging type, if you have identical number of units in each case, then select case packed. Otherwise, click individual products. Now move on, and on this page, simply enter how many products you are sending, and then hit continue. Now on this page, if you're using FBA inspection or preparing products for Amazon by yourself, then just hit continue. Otherwise, you will need to let Amazon know that preparation is required. Now, I highly suggest that you prepare your inventory prior to sending it to Amazon, so you can prepare it by yourself or by using any FBA preparation company, because that way it's going to be much more cost effective per unit. So in our case, if you're sending already prepared product, whether you have prepared your inventory by yourself or by using third-party preparation companies such as FBA Inspection, then just simply hit continue button. Now on this page, you can print FNSKU labels that should go on each product unit packaging. However, I highly suggest that you print FNSKU label directly on product packaging and not manually label each product unit with FNSKU label. Now this is because by printing FNSKU label directly on product packaging, you will decrease cost per unit. Simple as that. Now hit the continue button. Now Amazon will calculate where each box should go. In our case, it has calculated that it should go to multiple different warehouses. Now double check the provided information and hit approve shipments. Now simply go to inventory, manage FBA shipments, and for each of the created shipments that go to different warehouses, you need to pay and generate shipping labels. Simply click on Work on Shipment on the first shipment, and then later you're going to repeat the same process for every shipment that you see here. Now on this page, you want to leave Amazon partner carrier UPS because they have the best prices for ground shipping in the United States. Here, under Shipment Packaging, you want to select Use Web Form. Then you want to enter how many boxes are you sending. So first, enter how many units are going to be in this shipment. Now, as you can see, Amazon has calculated that 160 units should go in this specific FBA warehouse. So we need to enter 160 units, of course, in case that we are going to pack 160 units into one box. If you're going to use two boxes and in each box is going to be 80 units, then you can enter 80 units and two boxes. You will see that the total quantity will be 160 units. But for the sake of this video, let's say that we are going to use only one box that is going to contain 160 units. Then here you want to enter the box weight in pounds. So let's say, for example, that the box weight is 10 pounds. And here you want to enter box dimensions in inches. So let's say, for example, that the box has dimensions of 15 inches on each side. So you want to enter 15 in each box. Then hit the confirm button. And then down here you want to hit calculate button. Amazon will then calculate how much it costs for this specific shipment to be shipped using UPS from your warehouse within the United States, in our case it's FBA inspection, to this specific Amazon warehouse. Check the Agree to Terms and Conditions box and accept charges. Now, I'm not going to generate it now because this is just to show you how it's done. So that's it. Amazon will charge your account for this amount, and then you can download the prepaid shipping labels that should be put on outside of the box that goes into this specific fulfillment center. Then you should go back and do the same process of generating prepaid shipping labels for every shipment that you have previously generated. So as you can see, even if it's just a one inventory replenishment, it's divided into multiple shipments because each box goes to different warehouse. So for example, if Amazon calculates that you should send your inventory to 4 different FBA centers, then you should generate 4 different prepaid shipping labels. It's simple as that. So work on every shipment that you see here, pay for prepaid shipping labels for each shipment, and then simply download each shipping label to your computer. Once you generate all the shipping labels, simply send it to your supplier or company that is importing your products or inspecting them, and simply label your boxes with prepaid shipping labels. So it should look something like this. So that's it for now. If you have any questions about this subject, please let me know in the discussion tab of this lecture, and also feel free to join my VIP list for more valuable tips and content at winwinacademy.com.